So I never expected that this was the path my life was going to take. I grew up in a good family. It's not something that you plan out when you first start doing these things. You think it's just a good time or it just made you feel better. You don't expect that this thing that's making your life better is actually going to make you very, very sick. I started the clinic just because I didn't want to be sick anymore. It really wasn't to be clean. It wasn't to be drug-free. It was just so I wasn't sick every single morning. And then that turned into enjoying life and wanting to be clean. So that's when not using anymore came into play. However, once that happened, I didn't really have the tools to deal with trauma, and I had some really stressful things happen, including the death of loved ones. And to just make the pain stop, I went back to the one thing I knew that would work. And immediately upon relapsing, I knew I needed help and immediately called MiraVista. Wow, MiraVista has helped immensely. The staff is incredible. The counselors are the best counselors that you could possibly imagine. They don't force you into anything. They meet you where you are in your recovery.